rose water in our face packs. But have you ever tried rose petals to make homemade face packs? Roses are not just about beauty and fragrance, but it has many skincare benefits. You can prepare a DIY rose mask at home for glowing and clear skin. It hydrates your skin and prevents it from getting dull and lifeless.
Hello guys, welcome back on the Foodie. I'm Daisy. As we all know, Valentine is just around the corner. So today in this video, I'm going to share with you all a simple and highly effective home remedy to get spotless skin in just few days. This rose cream removes dark spots, blemishes from your skin and make your skin even toned.
All you need is just half bowl of rose petals, 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel, half tablespoon of vitamin E oil, 4 drops of rose essential oil, 1 teaspoon almond oil, 1 tablespoon of glycerin. Mix all the ingredients well. And apply on makeup-free damp skin for rinsing off. The mask is suitable for all skin types, whether you have oily, acne-prone skin or sensitive and dry skin.